Hi, it's John Meier here with Westplex Real Estate. I'm excited to share with you my monthly newsletter that's packed full of valuable info and fun features. Each month, you'll find home maintenance tips and suggestions to keep your property in tip-top shape. Plus, I highlight local events happening around the Warren County area. You can click right on the link from my newsletter and get all the details. If you got an event you'd like to share, just send it my way. I love helping our community stay connected. In my Showing You Warren County section, I spotlight amazing local businesses so you can discover what makes our area so special. Of course, I include real estate advice, a market update for Warren County, and feature properties for sale. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or just stay informed, signing up is easy. It's completely free. Head to johnmeiersells.com/newsletter to get it delivered to your inbox every month, or just check back every month to see the latest edition. I look forward to sharing great content with you every month. See you in the newsletter.